Welcome to AVibeAbove, where we embark on a journey to ignite your inner power and manifest the life you desire. In a world that's rapidly changing and often feels uncertain, this podcast is your sanctuary for discovering the tools and wisdom to navigate these times with grace and confidence. Throughout each episode, we'll uncover the secrets of mindset mastery, delve into the art of manifestation, and explore the transformative potential of energy and frequency. Whether you're here to enhance your spiritual connection, optimize your health with alternative solutions, or cultivate abundance in all areas of your life, you'll find practical wisdom and inspiration here. Together, let's awaken your consciousness, harness your innate gifts, and step into a life of purpose and fulfillment. As the world shifts, it's more important than ever to rise above and embrace the limitless potential within you. And now, get ready to expand your horizons with today's episode. Welcome back to AVibeAbove. I'm your host, Dawn Ranieri, and today we're diving into a powerful, timely topic that many of us are feeling after this recent election season. I won't be talking about politics themselves, but rather using this moment as an opportunity for each of us to look at our values, our gifts, and what might be holding us back from creative, positive change as we look into this next new year. As we approach 2025, a universal year in numerology, a year associated with humanity, compassion, and causes greater than ourselves, we have the potential to contribute meaningfully to a brighter world. So how can we become the best versions of ourselves, not only for our own growth, but to uplift others around us? Well, today, let's explore how we can be a catalyst for health, happiness, and unity in our own lives and in our communities. As the year winds down, this is a powerful time to reflect on our personal values and goals. With the weight of this recent election, many of us are reevaluating what matters most. Take a few moments to ask yourself, what values am I living by daily? Do my actions reflect the person I want to be? Where am I holding myself back? Whether it's fear, past conditioning, or simply being unsure of our direction, identifying what holds us back can give us clarity. As you think about these questions, use this moment to realign with your true self. In times of certainty, it's vital to connect with others. Being busy can often make us feel isolated, but finding like-minded people to lean on and support each other brings a richness to our journey. Community is a place of inspiration, resilience, and accountability. This isn't about creating echo chambers. It's about finding a safe space for growth and shared values. So think about reaching out to others who inspire you. Join groups, workshops, or even start small gatherings. Be the one to reach out, connect, and foster a circle of people who generally support and encourage each other. To become the best version of ourselves, we need tools to help us move forward, especially during times of big shifts. Here are some practices that you can realign with. One is daily journaling. Write down what you value, your goals, and your small steps towards them each morning. Reflect on what you did well, what could improve, and what steps will help you stay grounded in your intentions. Number 2, 5-minute breathwork practice. To calm and center yourself, try a simple breathwork exercise. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. This technique can bring calm and clarity and remind you of what's truly important. Number 3, service-based action. One of the most fulfilling ways to grow is through service. Find a cause that aligns with your values and volunteer, or lend a hand to someone in need. It doesn't have to be big, but these small actions can create powerful changes in your outlook and the world around you. 2025 is set to be a universal 9-year, a time to connect with your higher purpose and support collective growth. A 9-year often brings a sense of compassion and unity, encouraging us to serve, heal, and uplift others. Think about how this energy can shape the actions that you take. Where can you extend yourself to create positive change? Where can you add hope to the lives of those around you? This year is about creating space for healing and reflection, preparing ourselves and others for a more connected, unified path forward. As we wrap up, I invite you to consider one small step you can take today to reconnect with your purpose and show up authentically for yourself and those around you. Take a moment to breathe, connect with your heart, and think about the kind of world you want to help create. Remember, each of us has the power to be a catalyst for positive change, health, happiness, and unity. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to go deeper or need support as you step into 2025 with clarity and purpose, please reach out. I'm here for you. Let's make this coming year one of intentional growth, community, and compassion. Until next time, stay grounded, stay inspired, and keep rising above. I want to share something I personally use and truly believe in. It's called nanosoma. This unique product has been around for over 15 years and holds multiple patents with research to back its benefits. Nanosoma works with the body in an incredible way. It helps clear out anything that doesn't belong and supports our natural receptors, allowing the body to restore itself to optimal health. I love that it's backed by numerous testimonials and has no side effects, making it a safe addition to any wellness journey. If you're curious to know more, feel free to reach out to me or check out my website at www.AVibeAbove. If you're interested in ordering, let me know and I will send you a 10% discount that you can use towards your first order. Let's keep rising above with tools that support us from the inside out.